Welcome back, viewers. You're watching the Savera and I'm Shefali. The Meteorological Department has issued a yellow alert for Pathankot, Hoshiarpur, Nawashehar and Mohali districts of Punjab, all of which border Himachal Pradesh. These areas are expected to experience heavy rainfall accompanied by strong winds over the next couple of days. The rest of the state is forecasted to receive light to moderate showers through Wednesday, that's tomorrow. Weather conditions Monday. On Monday evening, parts of Punjab witnessed scattered rainfall, while light cloud cover was observed across many regions, bringing a slight dip in the overall temperature. Now, according to the latest data, the state's average maximum temperature dropped by 0.6 degrees Celsius, though readings still remain close to the seasonal average. Amritsar recorded the highest temperature at 35.5 degrees Celsius. Ludhiana followed with 34 degrees Celsius. Patiala reported 33.3 degrees Celsius. Now, despite the minor temperature drop, humidity levels remain high due to cloud cover and ongoing rainfall. The continuous heavy rains in Himachal Pradesh is significantly influencing Punjab's major dam water levels, as many of the rivers originated in the hill state feed these reservoirs. As of yesterday, 6 a.m., water levels in the Bhakra, Pong and Thin dams have risen sharply compared to the same last year. Bhakra Dam, Satluj River, now maximum water level 1685 feet, current level is 1631.16 feet. Current storage 3.951, that's MAF, 66-76% of the capacity. Last year, same date, 1611.4 feet, 3.361 MAF. Pong Dam, situated on Beas River, maximum water level 1400 feet. Current level is 1366.68 feet. Current storage is 4204 MAF. That's 68.61% of the capacity. Now, last year, same date, 1331.74 feet or 2.61 MAF. Thin Dam, that is situated on Ravi River, maximum water level is 1731.98 feet. Current level 1691.41 feet and current storage is 1.950 MAF or 73.23% of the capacity. Last year, same date, 1619.17 feet or 1062 MAF was recorded. Now, these elevated water levels, while beneficial for irrigation and power generation, have also raised concern about potential flooding if rainfall continues at the current pace or intensified. Rain forecast for Punjab today and tomorrow. The Meteorological Department has outlined the following rain outlook for Punjab. Today, light to moderate rainfall across northern, northeastern and eastern parts of the state. Isolated pockets may experience heavy showers. August 6th, very heavy rainfall, more than 12 cm likely at isolated locations, particularly in Pathankot, Gurdaspur, Hoshiarpur, Roopnagar, Mohali, Nawashehar, Fatehgarh Sahib, Patiala and nearby districts. Now, with these areas are especially vulnerable due to their proximity to hill torrents and river basins affected by Himachal's rain patterns. But today's city-wise weather forecast for Punjab. Now, let's see what the weather holds for today in shaping up the Punjab city. Amritsar, partly cloudy skies with the possibility of rain, temperatures hovering from 26 degrees Celsius to 33 degrees Celsius. Jalandhar, overcast with likely rain showers, temperature 26 degrees Celsius to 33 degrees Celsius. Ludhiana, again with cloudy weather with chances of rain, temperatures ranging from 27 to 34 degrees Celsius. Patiala can also be seen with light clouds cover with likely showers, temperature ranging from 26 to 31 degrees Celsius. Mohali can also see cloudy conditions expected with possible rainfall, temperature 24 to 32 degrees Celsius. Residents in the alerted districts are advised to avoid unnecessary travel during intense rain period. Stay away from flood-prone and low-lying areas. Ensure proper drainage around homes and businesses. Monitor official weather updates and advisories. Emergency response teams are on standby across vulnerable districts and authorities are monitoring dam discharge levels closely to manage any risk of flash floods or waterlogging. That's all for now in this weather update. Stay tuned to the Savera. Download the app and follow us on various social media platforms.